Unpacking Slang. The meaning of bad mouth. Hello, English enthusiasts around the world. Today we're going to delve into a slang phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or perhaps in a conversation, bad mouth. Understanding such phrases is not just about knowing the words, but also about getting a feel for the nuances of English as it's really spoken. So, let's get started and find out what it means to badmouth someone. To badmouth someone means to speak negatively about them, especially when they are not present. It involves criticizing them or saying unkind things that could harm their reputation. This phrase is informal and is considered a colloquialism, which means it's used mainly in casual conversation rather than formal speech or writing. The term badmouth comes from African American vernacular English and has been part of English slang since the mid-20th century. It's a compound word formed from bad, implying something negative, and mouth, indicating speech. Together, they vividly convey the act of expressing negative or disparaging thoughts through words. To help you understand better, let's see how badmouth is used in everyday sentences. I don't appreciate you badmouthing my friends when they're not here to defend themselves. He has a habit of badmouthing his coworkers to the boss to make himself look better. Let's not badmouth anyone at the party tonight. Let's keep the atmosphere positive. If you're looking to expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for badmouth. Talk down about, disparage, slander. In a legal sense, this can have serious implications. Denigrate, belittle. Using these synonyms can add variety to your speech or writing and can also vary the intensity of the criticism. It's important to know that badmouthing is generally frowned upon in most social contexts. It's not considered polite or kind to badmouth someone, and doing so can often reflect poorly on the person who is speaking, not just the one being spoken about. Use this phrase to describe the action of someone else, or in a context where you're discussing the nature of gossip or negative talk. And there you have it. Now you know what it means to badmouth someone and how to use it correctly. Remember, while it's useful to understand and recognize this phrase, it's always best to avoid badmouthing others. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds to your understanding of the colorful world of English slang. Happy speaking, and see you in our next video.